Hello YouTube, this is going to be our temporary exhaust fix for this. I will show you some pictures of the old muffler where it's all rotted. The pipe coming out of it's broke. The pipe sealed on here was good, but the muffler's all rusted out on the end. Here's going to be my temporary fix, because I don't need that crank pulley right now. There's not a lot of room. I bought way more pipe than what I needed. That's probably a foot. That's probably a 3.5 inch nipple. I've got a 6-inch piece. I have two different elbows, a street L. This L, a street L, means there's threads on one end. So I thought about sticking that in there, but it won't clear the crankshaft. So this is my only other option out welding. I cannot get to the welder. We're going to cut slots in here, so this clamp will clamp it down. This piece will pull out. See that? I ground it with the flapper disc and then put on my belt sander. I've used my old camera. Y'all remember old camera with the brass plate on the bottom to hold the battery door shut? Because it is muddy out here and I'm not bringing out my good camera. And my new camera does not like the sound of the engine. You've noticed when I tried using my belt sander when I first got it and things, in like electric drills and motors, this camera is never really affected. That muffler is good for 8 horse and up. I might take a picture of the package. I just found it at the farm store. So you can find all this plumbing stuff wherever. So this came from a Baumgart's type farm store locally. I'm going to put pipe dope on everything. That way it might come apart easier if I got to disassemble it. See how that comes out of the engine over here? We're not going to try to take that out and break the engine or break anything. We'll just temporarily fix this. So we'll put slots in there. We will tap that in there lightly with a hammer after we slot that. We might slot it 2 times, maybe 4 times. But we don't want our slots too far because we want to clamp right on the slot. So we don't want to be past the width of this. We want to be able to seal it up without leaking. These clamps came on here. There's a bracket. I have a picture that I will insert at the end of how this factory system looked. I'm stuttering. Gotta get this done. It rained last night with a big thunderstorm. It's gonna probably rain again today, so we're really hurrying this job. So enough yak. Let's talk more work. Okay, this did not want to hold, so I put that clamp in that bar. And this all came on the original muffler because it kept stuff from spinning. If you could see it, I'll show the picture. I'll try to insert it in there the factory way they had it. And somebody probably done this to keep the muffler from turning and stuff. But it was broke. There's a piece of pipe that came out this way that'd go out the hood. It was busted right off the muffler. This one was on the muffler good, but the muffler's all rotted out on the end, which I'll take a photo of it. I probably already have. There, now I don't have no problems. It was trying to work its way out. It would sit there and it would, probably because I put pipe dope on that, but I pounded it in with a hammer pretty good after it was warm. And I don't want to break nothing, but I did whomper pretty good with just a small ball peen hammer. So I got it in there tighter and tighter because it's tapered where the threads were, so it's tapered, got tighter and tighter. I didn't want to make those slots too wide either because I wanted to clamp the clamp on the slot. I didn't want to exhaust leak through all the little gaps. There you go, that's my fix. I hope I left plenty of pictures and everything, so thanks for watching. This job's done for now. I worked on that carburetor. I cleaned the points. Simple thing on the points, if you get a resistor like for 9 volts, like off a Chrysler, you screw on the firewall, it's a ceramic looking piece. You can run these points on 9 volts, I'm sure you can like a car. And then you just have to have a jumper wire when you start it. It throws 12 volts to the points. That's kind of complicated. They make a solid state thing to redo it. Look at this conglomeration. I have no idea where the foliage regulator is. This stuff will all eventually be cut out of here and all be redone. It will not look like just undone. Even the battery terminals, I cleaned them up. I didn't have time to get to the parts store and couldn't get there. I cleaned up the old ones because they were really nasty. So There you go. Thanks again for watching.